Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, that is Study with Praveen sir. This is my next video on the series of average. Today we will discuss on miscellaneous type questions of average. So let's start. Now the question number 5. The average age of a husband and wife was 23 years when they were married 5 years ago. The average age of the husband, the wife, and a child who was born during the interval is 20 years now. How old is the child now? Now the solution. 5 years ago, average age of husband and wife is equal to 23 years. So total ages of husband and wife is equal to A into N. Here A is the average 23 and N the number, that is husband and wife, two members are there, so 2. So 23 into 2, that is equal to 46 years. Now total ages of husband and wife is equal to 46 plus 5 into 2, because the husband's age is increased by 5 years and also the wife's age is increased by 5 years. So total increase is equal to 10 years. So 46 plus 10, that is equal to 56 years. Now the average age of husband, wife and child is equal to 20 years. So total ages of husband and wife and child is equal to A into N, that is equal to 20 into 3, because 3 members are there. So that is equal to 60 years. So the age of child is equal to 60 minus 56, that is equal to 4 years. Now question number 6. The average weight of 3 men A, B and C is 84 kg. Another man D joins the group and the average now becomes 80 kg. If another man E, whose weight is 3 kg more than that of D, replaces A, then average weight of B, C, D and E becomes 79 kg. Find the weight of A. So the solution. Now listen. Average weight of A, B and C is equal to 84 kg. So total weight of A, B and C is equal to 84 into 3, that is equal to 252 kg. Now the average weight of A, B, C and D is equal to 80 kg. So total weight of A, B, C and D is equal to 80 into 4, that is equal to 320 kg. So the weight of D, that is equal to, this is the total weight of A, B, C and D, and this is the total weight of A, B and C. So after subtracting, we will get 68 kg. So this is the weight of D. Now weight of E is 3 kg more than that of D. So weight of E is equal to 68 plus 3, that is equal to 71 kg. Now average weight of B, C, D and E is equal to 79 kg. So total weight of B, C, D and E is equal to 79 into 4, that is equal to 316 kg. Total weight of B and C is equal to 316 minus 68 plus 71. Now listen, this is the total weight of B, C, D and E, and this 68 is the weight of D and 71 is the weight of E. So after subtracting, we will get 177 kg. Now this is the total weight of B and C. Now the weight of A is equal to 252 minus 177. Now this is the total weight of A, B and C, and this is the total weight of B and C. So after subtracting, we will get 75 kg. So if you have any query or doubt, then write on comment section. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive updates on new videos. Thank you.